Hi guys! Ako si JM.
Ako si Ayon. Ako si Kim. Ako si Jean.
Nandito kami ngayon sa plato para mag-food review. Tara!
What the dog doing?
At this point, the staff and manager explained to us that the drinks are free because we are student.
What the dog doing?
At Plato Restaurant, we ordered plato fries, 4 plain rice, sinigang na bagnet, peach mango crepe, and red iced tea pitcher for free.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
So, we're getting our rice all set up right now, getting ready to eat. First up, we're trying the sinigang na bagnet.
What the dog doing?
But you guys know, we always save room for dessert. We leveled up our meal by sharing this incredible tropical explosion of dessert, their peach mango crepe.
The taste was good, sweet and tangy flavors in delicate wrapper. The primary taste revolves around the natural sweetness and vibrant tanginess of ripe mangoes and peaches, often complemented by a creamy element and the soft texture of the crepe itself. We had fun while tasting it because of its unique deliciousness.
What the dog doing? What the dog doing?
Success! Bye guys! Bye-bye!
Hello guys, we're here in Spice Lake. So, yan.
Order na kami.
Order kami. Ano po?
What the dog doing?
Thank you po. So guys, naka-order na kami. Hindi po kita si Kuya sa sa video. So guys, nandito na yung order namin. Ang order ko is yung lechon kawali.
Sa akin ay fish fillet.
So let's eat.
Let's eat.
What the dog doing?
Stop to. So guys, ang sarap ng kanilang lechon kawali. Crispy.
So guys, ito yung order ko, strawberry. Ito ay lychee.
So refreshing.
Masarap. Sarap siya. Lasang strawberry.
Galing mo.
Hi guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Spy Plates. Order ako ng Shanghai.
Ako naman ay lechong kawali. Tara guys, kain na tayo. Kain na tayo guys. Kain na tayo. Hi guys, titikman namin yung drinks namin. Ang akin ay blueberry soda. No?
Akin ay mango.
Guys, ang titikman natin ngayon ay pasta. Pasta? Pasta time? Tikman nyo na. Tikman nyo na guys. Uy, si Kim. Kawawa naman. Hawakan nyo. Ako naman lang kakain.
Sarap. Sarap.
Solo yan.
Solo guys. Solo. Titikman natin. Guys, titikman namin yung potato mojos.
Sarap dito.
Lasa siyang piniritong patatas.
What the dog doing?
So hi guys, tapos na kayo kumain.
Kumusta naman kain nyo guys?
Okay lang, busog na busog.
Ikaw, Kim?
Okay.
Okay. Uwi na kami guys.
So pauwi na kami.
Napakasarap ng pagkain nila dito.
Nabusog kami. Sarap.
Uy Kim, pakita ka.
8/10.
8/10.
Akin ay 8. Yun, wait lang, babangga kami. In case, babangga kami. 8.
Anong rate mo,
0.5.
Anong rate mo, Kim?
9 to 10.
9 to 10. Ang init. Ang rate ko ay 7. 7/10 kasi hindi ko nagustuhan yung soup nila. Soup nila, lasang basahan guys. Promise, no joke. Wala, hindi mo.
In terms of ambience, Plato used the modern design and architecture style to make it more cozy looking. On the other hand, the ambience in Spice Plates is more natural as it was more green and leafy. So, sa customer service naman is I choose Plato kasi pagpasok pa lang namin is welcome na agad kami ng staff and in-assist kami. Dun sa isang restaurant is di namin alam kung may tao ba or bukas yung kanilang resto. Kaya I choose Plato.
First, let's compare the speed and accuracy of Plato Restaurant and Spice Plates Restaurant. Plato Restaurant is described as friendly and very accommodating, while the Spice Plates is highlighted as efficient and attentive. So now let's compare the ventilation and lighting of both restaurants. Plato Restaurant is described as maaliwalas aesthetic, and Instagrammable, while the Spice Plates restaurant offers alfresco dining experience under the lush trees, providing natural ventilation. Let's now compare the restroom of both restaurants. The Plato Restaurant restroom is simple but very clean and aesthetic.
Para naman sa safety and security ng dalawang restaurant, para sa akin, parehas namang secured yung dalawang restaurant kasi parehas silang may CCTV. And sa safety naman, feel ko mas safe ang Plato kasi wala sila sa outdoor. Sa Spice Plates naman kasi, nasa outdoor sila at may posibilidad na mabagsakan yung mga customers nung sanga ng mga puno o kaya bumagsak din yung puno doon. Kaya feel ko mas safe ang Plato.
Doon naman sa may food quality, masasabi ko lang is, ayos naman, masarap yung mga food nila, and tapos, ayos din ang plating, ayos din yung pagkakaserve ng food.
Naman sa overall, kung ano nga ba yung mas magandang restaurant dun sa dalawa. Para sa akin, mas maganda ang Plato kasi maganda yung pag-welcome nila sa amin nung kami kumain doon, tsaka nagustuhan ko rin yung kanilang place. Napakaganda, sobrang ganda ng lighting. Yun. Mas gusto ko ang Plato. Tsaka masarap din yung mga pagkain nila.